Hi, I'm Dan. I'm from Telefónica Tech, and I'm here today to talk about why Azure Migrate and Modernize workshops can be really beneficial if you're at the start of your cloud transformation journey. So one of the challenges that I've experienced a lot with the organizations I've worked with when they first start looking at migrating and modernizing to cloud is this inertia about where to start on their journey. They're probably facing a lot of different decisions to make. And so we've partnered up with Microsoft to offer funded cloud migration and modernization workshops, where we can bring our experience of helping navigate other customers' cloud transformation journeys and work with our customers to help identify what is their best pathway to cloud. So for me, the value out of the workshops is almost threefold. Firstly, it's how we can position cloud as a strategic driver for an organization. Cloud is more than a technology change, and so as part of that workshop, we understand what are the business drivers, and so how can we enable cloud to drive business outcomes for that organization, whether it's a desire to modernize their technology stack to give better experiences to their end users of their IT applications, or whether it's a cost efficiency drive, and we need to make sure that we're keeping a keen eye on every pound that we're spending. The second element is all around modernization. And so we've got modernization specialists here at Telefónica Tech who can help identify the best modernization pathways and patterns to take potentially unmodernized or legacy systems where their teams are spending more time maintaining and operating systems rather than focusing on business change and efficiency. And as part of that migration and modernization workshop, we can essentially look at those applications and start to whiteboard what a potential future modernized architecture looks like. These Azure Migrate and Modernization workshops are also really valuable if you're looking at infusing AI into your application architecture. We can start uncovering and whiteboarding potential ways to use AI to either automate your IT operations, or whether we want to move towards expanding the capabilities and features of your application stack by building out new AI-driven components. We've done these cloud strategy workshops previously, especially with organizations facing rising on-premise costs when it comes to renewing or refreshing their data centers. And we've found these cloud strategy workshops really valuable to help uncover what their potential options are, whether they either optimize and simplify their existing on-premise infrastructure, or whether they look at relocating to a cloud managed platform, or whether they actually look at migrating and modernizing and becoming a cloud native organization. So if you're facing that conundrum whereby your data center or your on-premise environment is becoming expensive or overly complex, and you're considering a migration and modernization to the public cloud to help alleviate some of those pains, then this cloud strategy workshop can work really well for you. So, if you're at the beginning of your cloud adoption or migration or modernization journey, then feel free to reach out to us. We can schedule one of these workshops with yourself, with your infrastructure leads, your technology leads, and we can start to whiteboard what cloud could mean for you and how it could help you. And we're here to provide agnostic advice based on our experiences of steering organizations through cloud transformations. And so we can bring the expertise and the insights and the common pitfalls that we've seen other organizations fall down in when they're trying to migrate and modernize. And we can collaborate and iteratively start to map out what a potential migration looks for you. Please feel free to fill out our form, and we can schedule one in whenever it's convenient for you.